In this video, we listed the 5 best folding exercise bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Murtisol Folding Exercise Bike. The Murtisol exercise equipment combines functionality and convenience, featuring a foldable and adjustable design ideal for indoor use. With a robust metal construction, likely incorporating some plastic elements, this 40-pound unit supports users weighing up to 330 pounds and accommodates heights up to 91.4 centimeters. The equipment includes a twister plate with push-up handles that effectively promotes calorie burning, core strengthening, and cardiovascular health. Its extra-large, adjustable seat offers 6 height settings to fit individuals with inseams ranging from 31 to 36 inches, ensuring comfort during workouts. Additionally, a 3.5-inch LCD screen displays essential workout metrics such as pulse, time, speed, distance, calories, and RPM, while pulse sensors on the handlebars monitor heart rate. The included resistance bands enhance upper body workouts, helping users tone their arm and chest muscles. Compact and space-saving, the equipment can be easily folded to a size of 20 inches by 23 inches by 55 inches, making it a practical choice for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness FB150 Bike. The XTERRA Folding Exercise Bike is a compact and versatile fitness solution designed for indoor use, featuring a sturdy X-frame design that allows it to fold down to just 18.1 inches by 18.1 inches for easy storage. Weighing 32 pounds and constructed from durable alloy steel, this bike supports a maximum weight of 225 pounds. It boasts an adjustable foot strap, a padded seat for comfort, and multi-position padded handlebars, making it suitable for users of various sizes. The bike is powered by batteries and incorporates a magnetic resistance mechanism with 8 adjustable levels, enabling users to customize their workout intensity easily via a large manual dial. Additionally, the 2-inch by 1-inch LCD display provides real-time feedback on speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse, enhancing the overall exercise experience. Number 3. Exerpeutic Bluetooth Bike. The Exerpeutic foldable exercise bike is designed for indoor use, featuring a compact and portable design that allows for easy storage with included transportation wheels. Weighing 51.6 pounds and made from durable alloy steel, this bike supports a maximum weight of 136 kilograms. It boasts a user-friendly large LCD display that measures 3.3 by 1.5 inches, providing essential workout metrics such as distance, calories burned, time, speed, and heart rate, along with a 9,999-mile odometer. The bike is powered by batteries and includes an 8-level magnetic tension control system, enabling users to adjust the workout intensity to their preference. Additionally, it comes with resistance bands for a more dynamic exercise experience and is compatible with the free MyCloud Fitness app, available on both Android and iOS, allowing users to track their workouts conveniently on their mobile devices. Number 4. LEIKE Fitness LEIKE X Bike. The LEIKE Fitness spinning bike is a versatile and innovative exercise machine designed for indoor workouts, featuring a 2-in-1 frame that allows users to switch between upright and recumbent positions to target different muscle groups. Weighing 17.5 kilograms and constructed from durable aluminum, this bike supports a maximum weight of 330 pounds. It offers a customizable workout experience with a 10-level adjustable magnetic resistance system, catering to both beginners and seasoned athletes. Designed for quiet operation, it minimizes noise during use, making it suitable for home environments. The bike includes user-friendly features such as a foldable backrest, a wide seat with 7 height adjustments, and an HD electronic display that provides real-time data on workout metrics, including heart rate monitoring through handrails. Its striking yellow color and thoughtful design details enhance both functionality and aesthetics, making it an attractive addition to any fitness space. Number 5. Marcy Upright Exercise Bike. The Marcy NS 654 exercise bike offers a customizable cycling workout suitable for fitness enthusiasts of all skill levels, featuring a magnetic resistance mechanism with 8 adjustable levels to tailor your training intensity. Available in various styles, including upright and recumbent options in black and white, the bike is designed for comfort with a padded, high-density foam seat and foam-covered handlebars to support proper body form. Users can track their workout progress through an LCD display that monitors distance, time, speed, and calories burned. Additionally, the bike is equipped with counterweighted pedals that provide optimal foot support and adjustable straps for a secure fit. Its foldable frame allows for easy storage, making it a convenient addition to any home gym. Prices start from $121.49, depending on the model and color options chosen.